Ulster Rugby have had a very long and successful association with the Ulster Independent Clinic. When our players get injured and need a specialist opinion, the majority of injuries will be dealt with by specialists at the Ulster Clinic, and they provide us with brilliant access and really top-class service. More recently, the Ulster Independent Clinic have cemented the relationship by becoming our healthcare partner, and what that means is that they're supplying financial support to our medical team, enabling us to provide the very best care for our players. Player welfare in the current age is vital, because our players are our assets, and it's important that they are as fit and healthy as they possibly can be. So, for instance, with the development of the new stadium, we now have this kind of world-class medical room, which is right up there with any medical room in any stadium anywhere, and we're able to provide the very best care for our players on match night. Beyond that, the Ulster Clinic have also sponsored items of equipment. So, for instance, they've supplied us with an anti-gravity treadmill where we're able to rehabilitate injured players and mean that they can get back more quickly and more successfully to their day job of playing rugby.
The Ulster Clinic has been involved with Ulster Rugby since the start of the professional era, and we are delighted that we have this ongoing and very strong relationship, supplying backup to the team. If one is running a professional outfit and a team, they need the full professional backup of the medical profession to get the players as fit as possible, as quickly as possible after injury, both for their sort of current playing season and for their long term. The clinic are delighted to have donated the Ultra G machine, which is a very good method of rehabilitating the players by increasing their weight load slowly over a period of time. And this is very useful for the lower limb injuries that we see with regard to the knee and the ankle, and even some of the muscle injuries, getting the guys back rehabilitated as quickly as possible.
So Peter Nelson would be a good example of the type of care that our players will receive on match night. Peter, in the game here at Kingspan against Edinburgh, sustained a nasty midfoot dislocation during the game, and we were lucky enough to have one of our orthopaedic surgeons who was match doctor that night, and assisted by another orthopaedic surgeon who was at the game, they managed to reduce the fracture here in the medical room. Peter was also given pain relief here and then transferred across to the Ulster Independent Clinic, where he stayed that night, Friday night. He had a scan at 8 o'clock the following morning, Saturday, and then our foot and ankle specialist saw him in the clinic at 9 o'clock on Saturday morning to provide his initial care. He had surgery the following week for his foot, and he's now continuing his rehab back to full fitness. And part of that rehab journey, he's been able to utilise the anti-gravity treadmill, which has been invaluable in getting him back towards running.